It is a beautiful day today, and we're out on the street glide. I want to talk to you today about what I have in common with a MotoGP racer. There are so many things, it's just hard to list all of them. I could start making my list and just go on forever. The most obvious thing, we both ride motorcycles. We both have handlebars, clutch, brake, two wheels. Well, yeah, we both ride motorcycles. So comparing my motorcycle to a MotoGP motorcycle might be a slight stretch. A slight stretch. But one of the major things that we have in common, all motorcycles have in common, regardless if you ride a cruiser, a sports bike, a venture bike, a motocross bike, and even an ATV. One of the things that we have a need for is a great helmet. Let me show you what I have for you today. Let's get it open here. All right, so it's a new helmet from Arai. So we're gonna get this open up and I'm gonna show you the helmet. So there's more things in there. I don't want to throw that away. Look at this helmet bag here. Let's get this open. Look at that. This is an Arai Corsair X Maverick Vinales. Maverick Vinales is a MotoGP racer who is a very good MotoGP racer. And this will be my new moto vlog and helmet. Let me show you what else is in the box. Also, I received a tinted visor and I'm going to be putting this on. I think it's going to look really nice on that helmet, and I'll show you how to put the visor on the helmet. So I had to move inside. It was way too hot out in the garage. Here's the helmet. This helmet is DOT and Snell approved. Big chin vent in the front there. You have the brow vents right here. You open these up and it allows the air to flow through the helmet. And you have some more vents on the top here. There's the vents right here. So let me show you. I don't know if you can see this. You can see that whole opening and closing. 3 vents up top. And on the back, you have the exhaust vents here. Have a little lever right there to close right there. You have more vents on the rear of the helmet. One of the coolest things this helmet has is the spoiler on the back. For the spoiler, you can push up on it like this. And now you have, the helmet has a little bit of spoiler. It may be for my motorcycle. I probably don't need the spoiler, but it's still pretty cool. Push forward to lower the spoiler. What do you think about the design? Look at it, it's nice. The finish of it is beautiful. The frost finish, the black and silver, and the number 12 on the back. When you look on the inside of the helmet here, you see all these, the padding, the lining on the inside is removable. Now, you know, helmets come in several different sizes and no one's head is the same size. It has removable padding on the inside that you can remove to have your helmet tailor fitted to your head. Now, I like the shape of it. It says an R75 shape. Arai is an awesome company. It's a family owned company and they handcrafted this helmet. This helmet is a handcrafted helmet. Let's get this clear visor off and get the dark tinted visor on. So you want to just lift this up like this. And then you push right there on the side. Well, I should have showed you. There's a little tab on each side. Can you see that right there? Pops off. Now with that visor up, what you do is just close it down. It pops off. Now I've already installed the pin lock. The pin lock's on the inside of this one. Get this put on. And what you want to do is, it's real simple. You see those red dots right there? On each side, and the gold dots on each side. What you do is you take them and line them up, gold onto the red here, and snap them in there on both sides. Lift up the visor. Now that's in. Now that is attached to the helmet, you want to hook these back on there. And top first, just like that. And then this one here, the top first, just like that, closes down, and there you have it. What do you think, guys? That is a nice looking helmet. What do you think? I want to know your opinion. All right, so now let's go for a ride and we'll talk about the helmet. When I bought my Harley-Davidson, I bought a helmet and I didn't do too much research on buying the helmet. And I ended up just getting something that I thought looked pretty cool and was cheap. When I was putting on my GoPro, putting on the Bluetooth device, and I realized that I have put more into the things on the helmet than the helmet itself. And then I started thinking of how silly that was. I am riding my motorcycle with a helmet I bought purely because of looks and had no safety value to it at all. I know a lot of Harley-Davidson people are coming over and they're wearing full face helmets. Now I'm glad to see that. Guys, if you're riding a motorcycle, I don't care what type of motorcycle you have, a good helmet goes right across the board for everybody, whether it's dirt bikes, street bikes, sport bikes. The first helmet that I got, being safety conscious, was the Arai Region X. It was DOT and Snell approved. So that was my first experience with the Arai. So now I have the Corsair X10 and that helmet is awesome. This is literally the best helmet that I ever owned. This Arai Corsair X, I love this helmet. It's a great looking helmet, plenty of air, everything feels great about this helmet. And plus, look at it, look at that, beautiful. Guys, make sure you go check out the new Corsair X. They make them in so many different designs. Go by your local motorcycle shop or go online and check them out. Guys, I want to thank everyone for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.